Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It has now been almost 2,000 miles since we done the 24-hour piston soak on my brother's 2011 Nissan Sentra. A little bit of context, back in November of 2024, the Nissan Sentra started throwing the P0011 timing 2 advanced code. And as a Hail Mary attempt to fix that issue, we started running the 5W30 Valvoline Restore and Protect. And a couple thousand miles later, the timing chain code went away. But the one thing that hasn't gone away is the oil consumption. We've been burning a quart of oil for every 500 miles traveled, and these are all the different products that we've tried in order to address it. I'm at a point where I'm trying a different method, and that is with the use of engine restore for 4-cylinder applications. So it was a fellow subscriber, parts shooter, he's a real life mechanic, he had recommended I use it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, using this engine restore oil additive kind of made me nervous, and so I thought I'd live stream it and kind of go through that process with many of our viewers on YouTube here. And so in this video, you'll see snippets of the live stream clip and kind of me walking through that entire process. Here we go. This can go wrong. This is a VVT solenoid, and knowing that engines use motor oil as hydraulic fluid, this can alter it in ways that can actually impact how the engine reads the timing. And so what we're gonna do is actually add 2 ounces of this stuff into the Sentra, start it up, see how it runs, and if it goes horribly bad, what we're gonna do is do an oil change. Let's see what it says. So engine restore, 4-cylinder formula, restore compression, restore horsepower, restore engine life, reduce oil consumption, add to engine oil. Friction and heat gradually wear out cylinder walls, causing compression loss and combustion blow-by. This robs your engine of power and causes excess oil and fuel consumption in older high-mileage cars. Engine restorer and lubricant with CSL works to improve engine performance by restoring and balancing compression to near original levels. That means more horsepower, less oil consumption, better mileage, and maximum engine performance. Independent tests prove that Restore works to increase compression in high mileage engines. If your car has over 100,000 miles, we guarantee an increase in compression or your money back. Huh. Shake well before using, add Restore to engine, use Restore at every oil change. Oh, it's one of those. Do 2 ounces first. Holy crap, this thing is thick. Alright, after I pour in the engine restore, I gave it a few moments for it to settle inside the engine before starting it up. In the next couple of clips, you'll notice that there's this rattling sound. Don't worry about it, that's just a heat shield on the muffler. At this point in the live stream, I took the camera and had it in the vehicle to drive around for about 5 miles. Unfortunately, the live stream did not successfully switch over to the cellular network, so you'll just have to believe me that everything is okay at this point. With how smoothly everything ran, I decided to add another 2 ounce to the engine crankcase. Once it settles inside the engine, I'll start it to see if there's any issues and add some more if there aren't. Okay, if something happens. So at this point, it seemed to be running just fine after about 10 minutes, so I decided to add the entire bottle in there. All right, Tony Seed. Cheers. Okay, at this point in the live stream, it's been about 10 minutes with the engine restore inside the Sentra. I then took it around for a 5-mile drive, came back, everything was okay, and then I checked the oil level. So it is slightly overfilled, but I think this will be our reference point as we continue to track whether or not the Nissan Sentra is consuming oil. And so I'm thinking in about 500 miles, we'll take a look at this again. And if it's at the halfway point, that means it's burnt half a quart. If it's at the bottom hole, it means that it's burnt the full quart of oil. All right, well, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.